Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best car wax available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Miguiar's Car Wax. Miguiar's Quick Wax is an excellent choice for anyone who wants professional-looking results without spending hours detailing their vehicle. Its versatile formula applies effortlessly to clean painted surfaces whether they are wet, dry, or even exposed to direct sunlight, making it ideal for quick maintenance after washing or touch-ups between full detailing sessions. The spray spreads evenly, buffs off with minimal effort, and leaves behind a noticeably deeper, richer gloss that enhances the paint's color and clarity. Beyond improving appearance, it provides a protective layer that helps repel water, dust, and light contaminants, keeping the finish cleaner for longer. Whether you're a professional detailer managing multiple vehicles or a car enthusiast maintaining your personal ride, Miguiar's Quick Wax delivers a smooth, streak-free shine with exceptional convenience, making it a reliable addition to any car care routine. Next up, we have Turtle Wax Car Wax. Miguiar's Quick Wax stands out as a premium spray wax that combines lasting protection with an impressive showroom quality finish. Its advanced formula shields your vehicle's paint from harmful UV rays, dirt, and everyday road contaminants, helping preserve the finish while reducing the need for frequent washes. The wax dramatically enhances color depth and paint clarity, producing a rich, high-gloss, mirror-like shine that makes the vehicle look freshly detailed. One of its most noticeable strengths is its exceptional water repellency, creating a slick protective layer that causes water to bead and roll off instantly, minimizing water spots and making future cleaning easier. The finish feels smooth to the touch and helps maintain a cleaner appearance between washes. Whether used as part of a regular detailing routine or for quick touch-ups, Miguiar's Quick Wax offers outstanding performance, convenience, and reliable protection for maintaining a beautiful, well-protected vehicle. Coming in at number 3, Chemical Guy's Car Wax. This Chemical Guy's Carnauba Wax Spray is an outstanding solution for drivers who want a freshly waxed appearance without the time and effort of a traditional paste wax. Its convenient spray and wipe formula delivers a brilliant Carnauba shine and durable protection in just minutes, making it ideal for maintaining a deep, wet-looking gloss between full waxing sessions. Infused with premium natural Carnauba, the formula enhances paint depth, richness, and color vibrancy while leaving behind a smooth, slick finish that feels professionally detailed. The hydrophobic protective layer effectively repels water, helping rain bead and roll away while reducing the buildup of dirt and light contaminants. It also refreshes dull paint, restores a glossy finish, and extends the life of existing wax or sealant. Whether you're a detailing enthusiast or simply want to keep your vehicle looking showroom ready, this spray wax delivers excellent shine, protection, and ease of use in every application. Now at number 4, Mother's Car Wax. This finishing wax is an excellent choice for achieving a professional, show-quality appearance while providing durable paint protection. As the final step in the ultimate wax system, it locks in the results of previous polishing stages, dramatically enhancing depth, clarity, and reflectivity for a rich, mirror-like shine. The advanced formula seals the paint surface to guard against environmental contaminants, UV exposure, and everyday wear, helping preserve the finish and maintain its glossy appearance over time. It creates a smooth protective barrier that not only boosts color vibrancy, but also makes future cleaning easier by reducing the adhesion of dirt and light debris. Ideal for both detailers and car enthusiasts, this wax delivers long-lasting brilliance with a sleek, well-protected finish that keeps vehicles looking freshly detailed. Its combination of shine, durability, and ease of application makes it a valuable addition to any premium car care routine. And finally, our last pick, Malco Car Wax. This quick detailer spray is an excellent solution for keeping your vehicle looking freshly detailed between washes. Its fast spray and wipe formula effortlessly removes light dust, fingerprints, smudges, and everyday surface contaminants without leaving streaks or residue, making routine maintenance simple for any car owner. The formula safely restores a clean, glossy finish while enhancing the paint's natural depth and shine, giving your vehicle a freshly polished appearance in just minutes. Manufactured in the USA with quality ingredients, it offers reliable performance on automotive finishes and is ideal for quick touch-ups before shows, events, or daily driving. The slick finish also helps reduce the attraction of dust, allowing your car to stay cleaner for longer. Whether you're a professional detailer or a weekend enthusiast, this detail spray delivers impressive gloss, convenience, and paint-safe cleaning, making it a must-have addition to any car care collection. So those are the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.